everyone, my name is Linda Mkhize, a 1K guider in Triple M. I stay in Durban in South Africa. I joined Triple M last year and I got very interested to be a guider in order to introduce new members and assist new members, let them understand how the system works. On the 5th of April 2016, I asked for assistance of 220,000 from my leader bonuses and my referral bonuses, and all the money was transferred into my bank account within 72 hours. I would like to thank all the participants that had assisted me with the money. More importantly, thank the amazing founder of Triple M, Mr. Sergi Mavrodi, for making a difference in people's life. Many peoples are now surviving and poverty has been alleviated into our communities because of Triple M. I would like to thank my downliners, Oqala Zile team, for the support they have to one another and for ensuring that they are keeping the flag of Triple M high all the times. Thanks to the Triple M community for the commitment they are showing to making sure that Triple M changes lives of every individuals in need. There is power in joining hands. Together we can change the world. Together we can do more. Keep growing the community of Triple M. Keep growing. Thank you.